I'm Chef Dave here at Roth's. I'm executive chef in the catering department, and we're going to be starting up a series of cooking classes here at the Roth's, and I'm just going to do a little demo so everybody can see kind of what that's going to look like. Today we're going to be making some fish tacos with cod and a little sweet chili sauce, aioli for a sauce on there with some pineapple and mango. So first we're going to go ahead and throw our salsa together. So I got a little bit of mayonnaise here to start with as a base. And then we're going to put some sweet chili sauce in there. Kind of mix that up just a little bit. And then to that we're going to add a little cabbage for some crunch. Little pineapple and a little mango. Kind of just mix that up a little bit until it's all nice and incorporated. There we go. And we'll sprinkle a little bit of cilantro in there just to top it off. There's that. We'll set that aside, and we'll cook our fish. We just have a piece of cod fillet here. We're going to season it up with a little bit of salt and some chili powder. And we'll put a little bit of garlic on there too. Go ahead and turn it so we can get both sides. All right, there we go. We have our pan nice and hot here, so we can get a nice sear on the fish. And we're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of oil in there for the fish to fry in a little bit. We're just going to go ahead and gently set it in there. And we're just going to go ahead and give it a quick cook. Don't want to overcook it too much, it'll dry out. Just looking for the fish to get nice and flaky, and we'll pull it off. It really just depends on fish you're cooking. If it's really like white fish, usually pretty dry, so you really got to watch overcooking it. I usually just like to nice hot pan. Cook it for, until you're about halfway through on one side, then just flip it over and just kind of turn your heat down and just let it rest and finish cooking. We're using a cod fillet from the Roth's seafood department today. So our fish is about halfway cooked through here, so we're going to give it a nice easy turn. Separate it from the pan. Make sure to flip away from you so you don't splash yourself with hot oil. We're going to go ahead and turn our heat down a little bit and let it finish cooking. Alright, so our fish is done cooking. We're going to go ahead and slide it out of the pan here onto our cutting board. It's nice and flaky, not too well overdone. We're just going to go ahead and give it a little slice. We're going to go ahead and plate things up. So we're gonna go ahead and plate up our fish tacos here. We're gonna take some tortillas, put them down on the plate. We're gonna do a little cod first. Right there in the center. And then we're going to top that off with a little bit of our fresh salsa here. A little bit more cilantro on there, make it look pretty. And there we go. Fish tacos.